Pay items are the additional earnings and deductions an employee receives in addition to their normal salary or wages. To create a pay item, first head to your employees list and select the employee who requires this pay item. In the Standard Pay tab, you can add existing earning pay items and create new ones like overtime and allowance. Give the earning a name. If you would prefer a different name to show on the employee's pay slips, add it here. There are two types of earnings: salary and wages and allowance. Let's look at salary and wages first. Salary and wages types are taxable and included in KiwiSaver contributions by default. You can choose whether it's included in leave calculations. Next, choose how the earning will be paid. A set amount per pay, per hour worked or per number of units like sales made or kilometers traveled. And enter the default rate. You can leave this as 0 if the amount varies with each pay. Or choose multiplier of base hourly rate. For example, if overtime is paid at 1.5 times their hourly rate. You can choose to track these earning payments in a separate category to have a clearer picture of this expense. Then, select whether these payments will be included in the ordinary weekly pay and/or gross earnings. If you're unsure, check the Employment New Zealand website or ask your advisor. Lastly, select the employees that need this earning. Click Save and the earning pay item is created and assigned to the relevant employee's standard pay. Now, let's look at an allowance type. For example, this employee is paid a uniform allowance. An allowance can be paid at a fixed amount per pay or per unit. Then, enter the default rate. If the rate you pay varies with each pay or if this allowance is paid at a different rate for each employee, leave this as 0. If you want to track the allowance in a different category, select it here. Next, select the tax setting for this earning. Taxable, non-taxable or tax as extra pay. If it's set to taxable or tax as extra pay, choose whether to include the earning in KiwiSaver contributions. And if these payments are to be included in the ordinary weekly pay or gross earnings. Then, select the employees and save. Setting up deductions is created similarly. Give the deduction a name. If needed, add a different name you want to show on the pay slips. Enter the deductible amount and select whether it should be deducted before or after PAYE is calculated and withheld. If the deduction has a total amount owed, tick the Reducing Balance deduction option. With each payday deduction, the balance is reduced. Select the employees and save. Once you have the pay items you need set up, the information in your employee's standard pay will populate each pay run.